Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to remove shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. Let's get started. If your store offers free shipping, the shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify's checkout may cause shoppers to believe there are additional fees they may incur with their purchase. This can cause friction and may reduce conversion rates. Removing the shipping calculated at checkout text from Shopify is an easy way to alleviate these concerns and increase conversion rates. Step 1. Underneath, first of all, online store, we have to go to online store, then themes, actions. For that, underneath sales channel, you can see you have to click online store and then head over to themes and then click on actions drop down menu, click edit languages. Now step 2, type calculated at checkout in search bar. Once you're in edit languages page, click into the search bar and type in calculated at checkout. Step 3, remove or edit the taxes and shipping collected at checkout. Remove or edit the shipping calculated at checkout text as you please and be sure to save your work. Step 4, save changes and confirm shipping calculated at checkout is removed. Once you have removed the text and clicked save, view your live site, add a product to cart, and confirm the text has been removed. Your work here is done. If you're looking for more ways to increase conversion rates, you can check other ways. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.